meetings and what really is transpiring, let me very quickly update our viewers on the statement that has come up. In response to media queries on the situation in the western sector of the India-China border, the official spokesperson, Mr. Anurag Srivastava, has come out and said, and I quote, India and China have been discussing through military and diplomatic channels the de-escalation of the situation in the border area in eastern Ladakh. Senior commanders had a productive meeting on the 6th of June 2020 and agreed on a process for such de-escalation. Subsequently, ground commanders had a series of meetings to implement the consensus reached at a higher level. While it was our expectation that this would unfold smoothly, the Chinese side departed from the consensus to respect the line of actual control in the Galwan Valley. On the late evening and night of 15th June 2020, which is last night, viewers, a violent face-off happened as a result of an attempt by the Chinese side to unilaterally change the status quo there.
Welcome to Watch Global Movies channel. Wish your family make yourself happy and entertain you every day. Stay up to date with the latest news and movies.
Both sides suffered casualties that could have been avoided had the agreement at the higher level been scrupulously followed by the Chinese side. Given its responsible approach to border management, India is very clear that all activities are always within the Indian side of the LAC. We expect the same of the Chinese side. We remain firmly convinced of the need for the maintenance of peace and tranquility in the border area and the resolution of differences through dialogue. At the same time, we are also strongly committed to ensuring India's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Very firm statement put out by the MEA on the back of what has been a military escalation along the LAC, an escalation that was triggered by the PLA, the cowardly PLA that behaved in a goonish and thuggish manner by pulling out rods and pelting stones at Indian Army commanders and Indian troops on the ground. The 5 main takeaways from the statement that has been released by the MEA. The first takeaway, viewers, is that the Chinese departed from the consensus to respect the line of actual control in the Galwan Valley. So India has called out what is Chinese departure from the consensus, from the spirit of the agreement that was to see the de-escalation from both sides in the Galwan Valley. Number one. Number two, viewers, very important. The Chinese have been accused of changing unilaterally the status quo there. Unilaterally. This is nothing to do with India provoking China in any which way. This is unilateral Chinese action to change the status quo. Number three, the onus of avoiding casualties has been equally placed on China. In fact, singularly placed on China. Both sides suffered casualties that could have been avoided had the agreement at the higher level been scrupulously followed by the Chinese side. So India is blaming, viewers, China squarely for the casualties that have resulted from the misadventures, the deviousness of the Chinese. Number four, India has very clearly stated that it was well within, its activities were well within the Indian side of the LAC. So Chinese propaganda released by their Western theater commander has been debunked by India. And fifth, the most important takeaway, India has resolved to once again place faith in the maintenance of peace and tranquility in the border areas and the resolution of differences through dialogue. And lastly, viewers, the sixth point, the sixth main takeaway, India has also let it be known that it is strongly committed to ensuring India's sovereignty and territorial integrity.
Thanks for watching Global Movies, your global entertainment. If you like it, please subscribe our channel for latest news and movies.